Monkey, wake up. Car, no start, no vroom. Just cough, like old man snore. Monkey sad, monkey frustrated. Hey monkey, quick over here. I got carb cleaner. I got compressed air. Buy one of these and car run like rocket. No. Monkey smart. Monkey not fall for scams. Car magic not an overpriced spray. Fix carb, monkey earn it. Today Ape teach you how to unclog carburetor. Step 1. Inspect. Open hood. Look for gunk. Monkey see black sludge? That's fuel gum. Smells gross but smells worse when car stalls. Step 2. Fuel off. Monkey always cut fuel before touching carb. Safety first. Monkey not want fireball in face. Step 3. Remove float bowl. Monkey twist, unscrew. Careful, tiny parts escape like sneaky mice. Don't lose jets. Jets small but powerful. Step 4. Clean jets. Monkey use carb cleaner, compressed air. Monkey poke, spray, repeat. Jets clogged, car slow. Jets clean, car fast. Tiny nozzle, huge difference. Step 5. Check float. Float stuck, gas overflow. Monkey see pool in carb? That's bad. Float free? Good. Monkey float happy? Car happy. Step 6. Reassemble. Reverse magic. Bowl back, screws tight. Monkey not over tight. Monkey not strip threads. Monkey careful. Step 7. Adjust idle. Monkey twist screw, listen. Car purrs? Perfect. Car still cough? Repeat steps. Patience. Monkey. Carburetor not instant banana. Step 8. Fuel up. Monkey pour gas. Car start. Monkey grin. Car vroom. Monkey test drive. Smile wide. Monkey learn today. Carburetor not enemy. Monkey just lazy sometimes. Gunk happens. Fix happens. Car rewards. Monkey patience. And here's the twist. After all this, monkey finally start car. And it runs perfectly because the carburetor was clogged with a banana peel. Like this video. Subscribe. Keep the bananas coming.